Hey guys, join us on our date night. We are going to a restaurant called Foo Chow in LA. You can see this restaurant on Rush Hour. There's a whole scene there. You should check that out. Yeah. We're gonna go home and watch Rush Hour afterwards just so we can
Felt like we've been there. The Essence, where Chris Tucker and Jackie Chan were inside looking for, what's his face? I'm just gonna say the bad guy.
The bad guy. Okay, yeah, so we're gonna go try it out. It has really good reviews, and so we're excited to go give it a try tonight. Come along. Let's go to LA.
Yeah, let's. Dodgers 2024 champ, and soon we're gonna have a repeat of 2025. I'm calling it now. See the backs are here.
Oh yeah.
All this right here.
Okay.
Guys, right over there is when Chris Tucker had an altercation with this poor old guy where he says, I'm no punk bitch. Right over there. I'm no punk bitch.
Ông what?
Come on.
I'm no punk bitch.
I ain't no punk bitch neither.
I'm no
I'll
punk
come back there and
bitch.
knock that head off your chin.
You want the on chicken? Not spicy.
It's pretty good.
You want some? Should try some. You got the Kung Pao chicken, and then I got the orange chicken right here. How's the Kung Pao?
I'm gonna try it right now. I just finished the wonton. That's good.
Yeah. Ooh, you got a pepper.
So good.
So much food.
But it's so good.
It's so much food. Oh my goodness.
This is my favorite by far.
I'm trying to make my piece smaller. Oh.
Good. Nice. Nice.
It's like perfectly fried.
The rush hour part where Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker were messing around, clowning around, and taking each other's gun, as they're waiting, was actually right here. And you can see where Jackie Chan, where my wife is at, Jackie Chan and Chris Tucker were kind
Actually go in that little area over there now that we've had dinner, and there's a lot of really cool things in there. So come on, let's go.
It's probably somewhere over here. I don't know exactly where, but if I had to guess, I would guess somewhere right here.
Damn, Chin. Some greasy shit.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Huh?
Mix or
Mix.
strawberry?
Mix will be good. Hello.
All mix one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just the one?
Yeah.
Alrighty. The oranges are pretty good this week. They do have seeds in them. I think there's one seed in here.
Okay.
Just letting you know.
Thank you. I wasn't even expecting it to be like that. This is really good.
So this is gonna wrap up our date night in Chinatown in LA.
Yep.
We had a good time. We have a lot of food left over because, you know, we wanted to save some for home.
Yeah.
Yeah, so it was really good. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Like the video, you guys.
Please like, please subscribe, please keep supporting us. We appreciate you. Mwah. Bye.